Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video is how to see who views your Facebook account. Unfortunately, there is no way to see who views your Facebook profile. Facebook does not provide this feature or any way for users to track who has viewed their profile. Any third-party apps or websites that claim to provide this feature are not reliable and should be avoided as they may have scams or compromise your account security. But for some instances, if you see on your story, for example, and if you are on a professional mode, you can see here the insights and the viewers. So you can see I already have one viewer and there's already engagements and reactions. You can see the total reactions. And if you go to your notifications here, you can see the activity logs of your recent interactions in Facebook. However, these logs only includes action you have taken, such as liking and commenting on someone else's post. But this doesn't show who has viewed your profile. You can also go here in your profile picture with the 3 lines. Then go to professional dashboard. And you can just see the performance and the post reach engagement. But unfortunately, you can see specific who views your Facebook account. So, in summary, while it may be tempting to try to find out who has viewed your Facebook profile, there is no legitimate way to do so. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks.